So welcome to tutorial version. In this video you will learn how to delete the record. So you are learning this PHP PDO CRUD example. So in using CRUD using this PDO, how we will do this delete thing, so you will learn in this video. In the last video you learned how to display this list. Okay, so let's go to list.php. So this is our list.php. Then here we need to write edit.php and then !id equals to this one, and similarly here we will write delete.php !id equals to this one. Okay, now refresh it, and then when we click it, it should go to edit. We will create that page, and then when you click this, it should go to delete.php. So now let's create a page called delete.php. delete.php. So inside delete.php, here require once require once function.php, and then $obj equals to new operations. This is your class name, right? Operations, this is your class name, new operations, right? Now we will write here delete code. So we will write here $obj, then delete, and then we will have to pass it two things. The first one is table. So table name will be registration, and then here we will pass the ID. Our ID will be $get, and then ID. Okay, we will pass here registration table name and then ID, because based on ID we will delete. Okay, similar here we need to create one more function, public function delete. Okay, so here we need to pass dollar table and then ID, $id, actually $id. Okay, now we'll write the code for delete. The code is this. So the code is delete from table where ID equals to ID. So this is the prepared statement. Okay, now prepare $SQL and then execution here. So array this ID equals to this ID. Okay, so the ID will match here and go to here, and the data will be deleted. Here you can see everywhere we are using this prepare and then execute. First the data is prepared in this manner, and then it is ultimately executed here. So this is the field name and this is the data. When it is matched here, then it will get deleted. So let's check here, refresh and click on delete. Now let's check here the data is deleted or not. Yes, so the data is, the Rajesh data is gone here. You can see only the Umar Rahman is remaining. Okay, so after deleting, it should be redirected to here in delete.php header, then location view.php. okay, so now let's go to here and create one more file called Sneha Kumari @gmail.com, password anything. Now create and then view. Okay, you can see Umar and the Sneha. So when we'll delete this Umar, then it will take me to this page only. Yeah. Alright, so this delete is complete now. Let me recap it. What did I do? Just wrote here delete.php, then a query string we passed here, and then that query string ID, this ID we are patching here and then passing to the function, and ultimately it is going to here this ID and post prepared statement, then execute it. So that's it. This delete videos. Thanks for watching.